Good day and welcome to How To. Today I'm going to show you how to start Adobe Premiere Pro 2023 project. First thing you need to do is make a folder where everything can be organized. I'm going to make it on my desktop because it's a lot easier. I'm going to call it project name because you can later add the name. And this is a preference different for everyone, so choose a name you really want to add to this video clip you're going to make. I'm going to keep it simple and call it project name. There you go. Next, open Adobe Premiere Pro. After you've opened Premiere Pro, you should probably see this home menu. If you do not see the home menu and you need to create a new project, just go to File, New and Project. This is the same button as this one. I'm just going to click on this one for the people that use the home menu. Enter your project name here. I'm just going to call it project name. Choose the project location. I'm just going to choose our location, and it's going to be different for everyone. It's on my desktop and it's the project name. For people that want to add media they already have the video clips, you could add them here. I don't have any media, but that's fine for now. You can call your video a name here. A sequence is the whole video with every single clip in it. I'm just going to call it video and then the name you want to add. So sequence is the whole video with every single clip you're going to add. Once you have made a project name, project location and given a name, you can click on create. And one of the next videos I'm going to explain how to go further in this. Hope you enjoyed it. Next thing you of course need to do is save the file. There you go.